This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the 24th of January. Boy, we're heading last week of January. We're heading into February. And we're slowly heading to spring. It's warmer today and it's not windy. We know that terrible wind. But I believe it's above freezing today. So I haven't checked, but it just feels like it. And judging at the ground, looks soft. So, yeah. I don't know if my subscribers, if you looked at that video yesterday of that man. How many times have I documented how fast these people go here? And sometimes they just want to run through the birds. I mean, that is absolutely a mentally disturbed person who would want to purposely run over the birds. I mean, really, you need help. You really do need help. Your soul is black. Speaking of souls, one thing that I learned rather quickly on in rescuing animals and getting very close to them, especially with baby and her calf in that rescue situation. I learned very quickly on that animals have a soul and they are connected to you if you're close to them, and even if you're not. The animals are connected to us on the soul level. And I think people who are close to their pets, dogs and cats and whatever the animal may be, I think they can verify that. So I think that animals are healing. I think they are part of the spiritual world as we are. And so it's very interesting. It's very interesting. More on that topic later. Oh, look who's coming. Look who's coming and making his way through the field. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's our Charlie. It's our Charlie. He's getting very angry here. Here, Charlie. Here, Charlie. Hurry up. Hurry up, Charlie. You got a piece of sausage. Hurry up, Charlie. Fly out of there. Only one piece. He didn't give me time to throw down the food, but we'll distract him right here very quickly on. Here's Seymour. Here, a little Seymour in the background. The pigeons are here today. It looks like he's letting them out every day for whatever reason. Well, it's good for the pigeons. So, by law, he only has to let them out every 4th day. But it looks like he's sending him out most days. There's our little Seymour. Come on, Seymour. Come on, Seymour. Get in there. Here, Seymour. Hang in there, Seymour. Okay, now I'm going to throw down our peanuts for our crows. Yeah, the ground is definitely softer. It's definitely above freezing. Oh, look at those pigeons. We got a few new gulls here. See them with the spots? They have gray legs. The black-headed gulls, looks like some of them red and some of them are yellow. Unless it's a different species of gull, I'm not sure. Look, very similar. Now, Let's throw down our peanuts. Now you see the birds feeding. I don't know how in the world he can get a bird in his windshield here in the Migros parking lot. That I can't figure out, okay? Unless someone threw some food down and they were trying to get it. I don't know. Yeah, you have to throw down these peanuts or the poor don't get anything. Oh, look at these. Look, see those birds? Those are, the larger ones are the mule gulls right in front of us here. Look, beautiful, beautiful birds. See if I can find any tag birds today. Not offhand. I was trying to get him a piece of sausage, but that didn't work. Did you see that how Charlie walks on the field? Did you see that? Amazing, right? No way. I can't get him anything. It's nearly impossible. In my opinion, there are a smaller group of gulls here today. There's a smaller group of gulls. There we have our little sparrows over there. I don't know if someone's throwing food down or they're coming here to the field later on when no one's here. What's this over here? Is this trash? I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna pick that up. It's for me. Well, looks like our little... Oh, here's Charlie. Here. There he goes. Okay. He got himself some... Got himself some catchers. Gosh, it almost sounded like the anti-bird device. It could be, no, I guess it was just the gulls reacting to the sausage. Yeah, little guy's hopping over there. He wants to get himself a peanut. Go ahead, honey. Get yourself a peanut. Got himself a peanut. Wow, they went through those peanuts really fast. Amazing. Charlie got some cashews. He got a piece of sausage, but it was really hard. He had to fight for that. I'm thankful that it's a little bit warmer today. It's not as brutal as it's been the last 2-3 days. Oh, it's just awful, especially for a little kitty cat. I couldn't. Oh, there he is. There's the anti-bird device. Hear it? It's a little bit thinner. It's not as loud as it normally is. Could be the customers of Auto the odd lot store complained. Could be, because it's not screeching nearly as loud as it normally is. So, yeah. My poor little crows. Hang in there, honeys. The gulls will be on their way in about a month's time. So, there they go. It's so hard. It's so hard for these poor crows. Everywhere else I go, certain stores and so forth, I have crows that I feed. A pair, maybe 3, usually a pair, and they're just not in the same situation as the birds here. The people don't bother them. Listen to that.